Howdy folks, Doc here with Last Best Tool, and today we're taking a closer look at this TOPDON ArtiLink 400. This is a OBD2 and EOBD scan tool. Solid unit. Surprisingly, it's retails for about 40 bucks on Amazon, plus their discounts, plus their often other discounts. One of the cool things about it, there are two main cool things. First is, this is the connector. It actually has a light built in, so you just depress this flashlight button and you can easily see under the dash as you're guiding it in. And the button, on at least the vehicles I've used, is on the bottom going in. That just seems to be the orientation of the plug. Another thing is it's got an onboard code library. So let's take a look at that. So I'm going to hook it up here. In this case, give a little juice, although it does register even when it's not, the key's not there. It seems to have some onboard storage. There we go. Firing up. Notice it stopped the beeping. I don't need a sanity switch. So here we go. Might be a little tough to see. I'll bring it up close. This is the main interface, and it looks like it should be a touch screen. It's so clear and bright colored, but in fact you use this set of buttons down here. So if I want to do engine diagnostics, I choose that. It's processing, it's going through, gives me basically the general information. Let's see, anything, nothing, no codes. Readiness, complete, went through the different self-tests. That's actually really good. I can go through erase codes. I don't know if you can see that. I was watching the reader. I am readiness. You can get a data stream to actually watch what's happening in real time. Freeze frame captures the image. O2 sensor. What this does is there are four different banks that I can test. So I could go to a Bank 2 Sensor 1, hit OK, and then it opens up the different tests and pass. You can see down there. This takes me back. Onboard monitoring, evap system is always an issue. Oh, yes, I want to exit. Let's go to the code lookup. So let's say it threw a code, and I've got the code listed somewhere or remembered, and what I do is I can throw one in. Let's do a how about a 0457. That's a common one with Tacomas and Forerunners. So I can just toggle up. If I go down, I go into letters. If I go up, I go into numbers. So we'll do a 047 or 057, excuse me. You all know what that one is, probably, right? It is the evap system. Leak detected. Fuel cap loose or off. That is so ridiculously common that when I hear people say, my check engine light came on, it's like, you need a new fuel cap or tighten it. I don't know why, but for some reason Toyota fuel caps don't last that long. Let's say, somebody stole your catalytic converter or something. I could do, how about the 420? Oops. There we go. Generic catalytic system inefficiency below threshold. So it's not like I can click on the code and have it tell me. I have to go into the library, but that's all on board here. It's pretty amazing. The feel of this, the snap of the buttons, just the interface, the way it moves around is just sweet. It's just very well thought out. So you can zip through this with nice solid clicks. Turn off the beeper, I guess, if you want. I like it. And then go to town on whatever repairs or suggestions this thing makes. TOPDON's got great customer service. I've used their products before. My only basically the only choice at this price level is you're wondering, do I want a cord or do I want to go Bluetooth? And in fact, the cord sometimes makes life easier because I don't have to have a phone out. especially if, you know, my phone is my phone and not the shop phone or somebody else's. Anyway, I thought I'd bring this to your attention. TOPDON asked me if I wanted to take one for a spin, and I thought, sure. I mean, especially at this price point, just being able to have that kind of connectivity, and it's always neat to have that, you know, the little light. That and the code library were the things that really made me get excited about this one. Anyway, so there it is, the TOPDON ArtiLink 400 Code Reader. With that, Doc out.